Hi, the video currently looking at original audio is inaudible, so I'm doing a voiceover now, trying to remember what I said about what I've done when I was 7 hours delayed in the airport in Frankfurt, Germany, the international airport there. Editing rice, hello. So I'm gonna do my best to tell you the things by memory. One of the things was I ate more than once because it was 7 hours. Thankfully, the airline I flew with gave us meal vouchers, at least me. You had to hunt for it. So this is a video of what you should do in case you never had a flight that literally was delayed or canceled, and they give you a voucher and they tell you, hey, you have this time or 7 hours, make sure you stay here, you won't get your luggage back, etc, etc, or stay closed, so you have to come back past security if you leave the airport. So I chose to stay, since anything that was close by to visit was still a few hours, or I should say more than an hour away to visit. So I decided to play it safe. I went to eat at a restaurant in the airport. It was delicious. It was, from my memory, curry, vegan sausage with fries. It was good. I like the sauce. And also I had dessert. I had apple strudel, and it came with ice cream, and I had a lemonade. It was very good. Then later on, I just went walking around the airport. Frankfurt, Germany airport is very huge, and I came across if you needed to sleep, which was the first time in the airport I've noticed that, there is a place that you can sleep. You can rent like a room with a bed, and it was 35 euros, I believe, per hour. I did not use it since it was day, and I was trying to get accustomed to the time, and it was not night yet. It was afternoon when I landed, but it was going to be late, but I didn't want to sleep because I wanted to sleep full through. Since I was traveling from the USA to Europe, it was best I stay up so I can sleep once I arrive to my final destination. This video's goal is to just show you the downside of traveling. I know a lot of travel channels, and I know I'm not specifically a travel channel, shows the upsides of like, look at all the things we do, but this is a downside. And something that I'm gonna mention that I don't have footage of is my return trip was worse. Then delay wise, I couldn't get a same flight, and my flight was delayed, and they made me stay over, and I am still trying to get reimbursed for hotel, food, etc., which they told us we would have gotten reimbursed for, refunded for at the airport. They are now saying no, basically. And I didn't get my luggage back, return, until like days later. When I say days later, it's like I didn't get the luggage when it was delayed. They said you had to wait the other day, so I had to buy certain things, you know. And luckily, I have usually prepared to travel certain things just in case this would happen. But I didn't bring, I'll say, a lot of extra clothes. But I didn't buy clothes. I just decided to buy toiletries and food. But again, the airline is fighting me on this, and I kind of want to expose them. I feel like that they lost a client today, but today. Way back when it happened, but I'm still reserved. I'm trying to be nice and polite and take the high road, but I'm very, very disappointed. It was the first time I took that airline. It's a European airline. Before y'all start saying American, it was a European airline. But it's the first time I took them, but I took other airlines that's part of the same group, and I had no issue. Honestly, I even discovered a new airline because they delayed me. I was delayed. They said I can't get a flight. They took my suitcase, whatever, couldn't get it back, and they booked me on another airline. But I was pleasantly surprised about that other airline. Loved them. I would go and use them again. Now I want to use them again. If ever I go back to Europe, I need to find a way because the experience was so good. I was like, oh my gosh, I need to come back with them. So I'm looking at the silver lining, the positive in this situation. But again, if this ever happened, make sure you keep all receipts, okay? Use one credit card, okay? If you have a travel card, even better, use that. Okay, I'm telling you this from lessons learned because I didn't necessarily do all of this. So make sure you keep all the receipts. That part I did. Worst case, use your credit card because your transactions are receipts, okay? keep everything. Days after, even if they tell you they're gonna accept the claims you put, keep them, because you can be like me where you're going back and forth in emails, and they're asking you to resubmit things and to take new photos of things, etc. So if you threw them away because you said I already submitted, I don't need it, they might give you a plot twist. So luckily I still have everything. And hotels usually give you an email. You can email a hotel for an invoice as well. Certain hotels, if you are traveling for work, they demand like certain specifics on those invoices. So definitely ask them as soon as you check in, not at the end, because they will tell you yes at check-in, and then check-out is another thing. Tell them at check-in, hey, I need this on the invoice, or way before you check out, so they can prepare it for you. Okay, so they can prepare it for you and you're not surprised. Long story short, I walked a lot in the airport. I sat, charged phone, and then I ate again. I ate a pretzel with pumpkin seeds, which was delicious. I highly recommend. And I tasted this Volvic flavored water. And honestly, that's something about Europe. I miss flavored water because they have flat flavored water, which I like flat water, to be honest. But I started to like not flat water since living in the US, because the flavored water here be having sugar in it, and the bubbly water does not. I don't know. It's hot. US food wise, there's a lot of options and cheaper options, but the quality is not the same. So either way, I enjoyed my trip. I hope to make a vlog of the trip. So future vlog, I hope to show you. But all in all, I just want to share the ups and downs. This was a down of traveling, or I should say air travel. I didn't film the return trip because literally all that happened and I was traveling alone. I kind of distressed. It's the first time I would say I panic as much traveling by myself. I had to take a moment and cry, because I also got what I think was discriminated against. I know. I don't want to get into that part too as well. And I was very frustrated, and so I could not film like I film what you're seeing now. So thank you for understanding, but I'm very grateful and I feel blessed that I got to still travel, watch one of the videos YouTube recommends. Maybe I'm Sarissa, maybe I'm not, but you can call me Rice because that's my nickname. Thank you very much for spending time with me on this channel and watching the downs as well as the ups when it comes to traveling. And I hope this moment of transparency helps you out. And until next video, bye. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Take care.